How to edit or delete Cronjob via cPanel. Log into your cPanel account, you will be on this page. Scroll down to go to the Advanced section and click on the Cronjobs icon. Scroll down to go to Current Cronjobs and locate the cronjob you want to edit. In front of the cronjob we want to edit there is an edit option, go and click on it. You can change the time and frequency of a cron job. For example, let's change it once a day to once an hour. After making the required changes, click on the button Edit line. That's it, you have successfully edited the cron job. To delete the cron job, go and click on the Delete button. Press Delete again. That's it, the cron job has been successfully deleted. Thank you for watching.